Hello! This week was a big week here at St. James because the first installation of the new organ has begun. The trucks arrived on Sunday just in time for evensong in the afternoon, and thank you to all the parishioners that came out on Monday to help load everything in that you see here. Standing to my left are the organ cases themselves. These are the beautiful wooden pieces that will soon be mounted up here on the steel platform. And these here are the largest 32-foot pipes, the Contrabass, that will go up against the north wall in this chamber. This is all one pipe, if you can believe it or not. Things are moving quickly now as we make progress, so I invite you to keep up to date here on the weekly update and stop by in person on Sunday, and we'll be giving tours after the service. Hope to see you then.